Abandoned me. Guys, this is a super cute card. Let's see. Yay! Okay, whew, we're in business. Okay, so we're just gonna keep it here. I think I've turned off whatever was on, and we're gonna go with this. But isn't this a cute card? Don't you want to make it? Okay, I know you do. Yeah. So, what I did the other day was I stamped, I posted a couple pictures. I stamped, and okay, I did use, I got a scan and cut late last year, and I did use that for these. If I was just doing a couple, I would probably cut them out, but I did a billion. Look at all these cute little guys. So I had a fun old time. I started color. Look, I like this one. This is the, this is the Granny Apple Green. I like that little chick. So I have all of these because I'm going to make a bunch of Easter cards for my nieces and nephews. Let's put them here so I don't get them messy. And I thought that this would be a super fun card to make. So I'm going to show you how to make this. If you don't have this stamp set, I think the one with the, I think Bonanza Buddies, those peeking out of little holes, the lion, the bird, the koala would be fun. I think if you got the ladybug set, that would be fun. Look at your other sets. Anything with a cute little animal, I think you could use. Okay, so how do we make this? So let's go sizing. Basic, your card, card base is your regular 5.5 by 11. I'm using, now on this one I use the green. I'm using up this punch paper that I bought. You can't buy it anymore, but I'm making a bunch of cards, so I'm going to use the rainbow. Ooh, or you could use the flowers. And this is your regular 5.25 by 4. And then the white is 3/4, so it's 3 3/4 by 5. Okay. You could pick any fun color paper you have. Look through your paper and just find something that looks springy, and you can go with that. All right, so how do we get the little holes? You need a it's 1.5. I don't think you can see it because of the lights. There we go, 1.5 inch punch. Okay, the other thing I thought about when I made this is that I wanted to keep things simple because the work went into the coloring, right? So I'm just going to stamp it in the corner. So you got to make sure on one side or the other you have room for your greeting. Happy Easter or sweet friend or, you know, whatever your stamp sets have, you could do that. Okay, so then you take your punch, and let's do this one. Let's see if I can do it opposite. It doesn't really matter. So what I did was I slid it in, make sure you can see a little edge there, and go in enough, you know, something. Ooh, I have a cute idea. Let's try this. Okay, we're gonna go rogue. I have been known to go rogue. I want this even more. So I'm gonna go to the edge. I don't know why I try things spontaneously while doing this. I can't even press the right buttons to make this go. Okay, so I'm sliding it all the way up. You know what? I don't think 3 will fit. Okay, so much for going super rogue. 2, and then I'm gonna put 1 this way. Think of it, it looks like a Mickey Mouse. 3. I miss Mickey. I was supposed to go see Mickey next week, actually. And then I'm gonna do this one this way and put the words here. So we're gonna go ahead and stamp the words. That way, if you mess up this, then you can start over. This is pumpkin pie. I'm going to put it in the corner. And that's the Happy Easter that comes in the set. But this way, if you mess up this part, because I also have another idea. Again, going rogue right here, all crazy. Okay, let me close the pumpkin pie. So we might make 2 of these. We'll see. The little bee is super cute, and I thought it was fun to add that. I'm going to put it... I don't know where I want it. I'm going to put it here. Oh, I smeared it. But you know what? It looks okay. I was undecided. And then here's my idea. So let's see if this works. All right, all my friends, I don't know if Stampin' Up! Was there or not back in the day, but I used to do Creative Memories and just scrapbook. And one of my favorite techniques, you know I'm a fan of a stitch shape, was where you just make your own stitching around something. And so I was thinking that this might work. So this is just a Stampin' Right marker. You could use a Sharpie. Oh, look at that. I got ink over there, but I'm gonna let it go, you know. That I thought it would be kind of cute to put the little stitch lines around the circles. So we'll see what it looks like. So how you guys doing? Sunday night, you decided to watch the Crafty Yogi. Her Switcher app was doing some weird stuff. Things weren't like normal. She's pressing buttons. Luckily, I can edit it a little bit before I put it on YouTube, so they don't have to suffer. All right, let's do this one. So this is a little bit fussy, but it's not that hard, and I don't think it looks terrible if the lines aren't absolutely perfect. But I used to love doing this in my scrapbooks when I was doing like the baby pictures. I just thought it was fun, like of the kids and stuff. So since I'm sending this to my nieces and nephews, of course they probably won't appreciate how much work would go into such a card, but there we go. Okay, so then next you got to decide what you're going to put in there, and I am going to go, I want to do, I want a blue, oops, I want a chick. Where's the chicks? I want 3 chicks. I'm going to go blue, green, no, I'm going to go blue, green, pink. I'm going to do those 3. Anybody buy Peeps? I have to tell you my Peeps story. So I saw a cute little video thing. And so, okay, wait, no, I'm not going to tell you my story yet. So this is what you do. You decide where you want them. And you can make them go like to the edges. You can make them go upside down. Oh my gosh, guys, this one's going upside down. Look at that. How cute is that little guy? And so then you're going to put them in the little circles. So what I did was check. Okay, so that one, it tells me I can put 1 glue dot on this little foot. It's too bad I colored these feet so cute. No one will see them. Okay, so then I'm going to hold it back up. Tuck his cute little head in there, or her, whatever it is. I don't know. And then stick it on. Isn't that cute? Okay, and then I like the idea of this one being a little bit upside down. Okay, so what's, ooh, that's gonna, okay, so I'll put 1 little glue dot on that little yellow foot. And I'm gonna put it more towards the bottom, so it's hanging off, so it won't show through. Okay, so this little guy is gonna come down. Look at that, how cute is that? That's so cute. And the little yellow one. And the yellow one is gonna, I think I'm gonna do that, have it come across, so that little foot. And don't worry, we're gonna secure them securely when we make the card all the way. Ah! Okay, I almost had a glue dot on my hand. Okay. Oops. I want his little head to cross over. Okay, isn't that adorable? Look at those little chicks. Okay, so then this goes on my DSP. Oh my goodness, that is like perfect. Those are the same colors. Look how cute that is. Hold on, let me show you closer. I can't show you closer. Okay, so who knows what I'm not going to touch the buttons anymore because I'm going to mess it up. All right, so we're going to attach this. I think we'll make 2. So, can I snail? Yes. You might need to use glue to attach this. I think the first one I did use glue, but here I am, again, going rogue and just snailing it on. So definitely make sure and get your little cute little creatures. Okay. And then you got your paper. And then we're going to put this on. Okay. And then this one, I think I want to put this one on the blue. Yep. And then you just pick and put them on. So it's really actually, except for the work of the coloring and cutting out the cute little creatures, the actual card looks pretty impressive. Oh, and those little lines make all the difference, guys. It was worth that extra couple minutes. And then you push it all down. Look at this. Isn't that cute? All right, let's make one more. Let's make one more. Oh my, I'm sorry, I'm so tickled. Oh, that is so adorable. Okay, let's make one more. So that way, look at that. So we have a vertical card, we have a horizontal card, and that one has 3 chicks. Let's see what we can do on this one. We'll definitely use a bunny. Okay, so we need some holes. The bad thing is, I really wanted to do, but I like that. Okay, I was thinking you could do 3 in a row, but it's not going to work. Okay, so here we go. We punch, and then we punch. And they don't have to be even. They don't have to be perfect, because no one's going to know. And then we make it like Mickey Mouse. There we go. So we've got our holes. I'm going to have to make something that uses a lot of little circles. Huh, my punch looks like it's getting a little rough. I wonder how long these punches last. I'm going to go ahead and just use the same color. Actually, I think I'm going to put it down here. So you just look at your circles and see, where do you have nice space? Where does it? Nope. It is going to have more room here. Where does it have enough room? Stamp your greeting. Okay, if you're gonna do bees and lines, I like the little lines. I think it's worth it to do it. I'm gonna see if I can do them on the other one. There's my little bee. Oh, I feel like, you know what? I didn't color them on that other one, but I guess I'll just leave it like that. All right, let's do the little lines here. Okay, so now I'll tell you my peep story. So, you know, I've been on Facebook way too much. I won't even tell you what my screen time thing said. But I saw one of those little videos of food videos, and they made cute little colored stripy colored Rice Krispie treats. And I was like, oh my gosh, those are so cute. For Easter, that would be fun. I mean, of course, I'm like, there's 2 grown adults and a 21-year-old kid, so he's basically a grown adult. But I'm like, yeah, I'm going to make those. So I put Peeps and Rice Krispies on the list, and my husband went to the Wegmans. Okay, so it's coronavirus time. So he waited in a line to get in the Wegmans, which is fine. So I said I wanted 4 colors of Peeps, like 1 package of each, or like at least 3. He comes home and he's like, I hope you really wanted to make these Rice Krispie things, because he got me these pink Peeps and I had to get a weird plushie. He's like, I'm not even gonna tell you how much that cost. And then I've got a bunch of yellow Peeps, some that look like bunnies and some that look like Peeps. But that's it. Only 2 colors of Peeps are left. I guess it is a week before Easter. So that's what he has. And then he goes, and look. Okay, they didn't have Rice Krispies. Guys, there was no Rice Krispies. So I have some, and I'm a big, normally, okay, I'm a big fan. I'm going to color this bee yellow on this one. I'm a big fan of organic things and natural things. But I just wanted Rice Krispies. So I have some kind of whole grain puffed rice thing. Who knows what it's going to taste like. So I made them today, and I just made 3 layers. Pink, yellow, pink, or yellow, pink, yellow. I think that's what it is. So I'll post a picture. Don't worry. I will post a picture. Ooh, we're going to do this one in... Do I have a purple chick? Ooh, look at this. This is going to be the purple one. This is Purple Posy, and this is Highland Heather. But I think it's too much purple. Maybe, but I like the idea of them all being purple. Maybe it's this. Nope, somebody's got to be a different color. Okay, I'll go with that. Let's go with, what is it? We need a chick, a green chick. Yeah, we need the green chick. Okay, and a purple bunny, and we need a lamb. Here we go, and a blue lamb. So they're all just like crazy colors. So, yeah, so we'll see what they taste like. I'll post, I'm going to put the bunny here. And I like the bunny. I like him with a foot out. So you know what we're going to do? I'm going to cut his other foot off. Yeah, I like that. Him coming over to the side. So he needs a glue dot right there. Okay, so if you make a Peekaboo card, you got to show me. I want to see what you made. But I think that Bonanza Buddies one would be super cute for like a birthday card. Look at that. How cute. And then the good thing is you'll see more stripes. Okay, and I got a green little chick. Oh, I like that. Over to the side. So all of mine aren't going to be able to be like this. So I don't know, maybe I'll send... because I do send my nieces and nephews, like even the ones in the same house, I try to send them a different card. But there's only... I'm not coloring 100 of these little animals. So... I will make some kind of slightly more simple card. Could you... Oh, look, guys. Where's my scissors? Do I have scissors? A woman should have scissors. Shouldn't she have scissors if she's a crafter? She should have, especially when she owns like 10 pairs of scissors. Yeah. Hold on. Look at that cute blue lamb. Here we go. I'm going to make his little feet. So I'm going to give him a little snippy, snippy, snippy. Because I want his little feet to stick out. Pretty sure it should work. Yes! Look at that! Okay, so I'm just going to leave him like that and tuck a glue dot under. Alright, so this is going to be super cute. And I have figured out just cards for this month. I figured out how I'm going to do it. I have also, I'm going to be working on the sampler this week. It's going to be lots of fun. And I'm going to do a lot of fun stuff. Okay, so now I'm going to snip off the part that we don't need. So we don't need that foot. And there's a teeny bit of a foot here. All right, let's put this on. Look at that. So cute. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do glue. That's so funny. So, yeah. So apparently I should not press buttons on my app. And I played with it yesterday too, so it's stuck in whatever mode I put it in. It's not doing exactly what I was used to, but I will figure it out. Okay. Look at that. I love those little stripes peeking through the little windows. I think I put glue on them. And I think you could, maybe, but you'd have to pop it all up. You could pop it up with dimensionals, but I don't know. We got a lot going on that this is probably the safest way to go. And then let's give this one, we're going to go orange. Oh, you know what? Let's go Granny Apple. Go Granny Apple, because I got paper right here. Yep. Oh, that's not Granny Apple. That's like Pear Pizzazz. Hold up. I got to go up a slot or two. Here we go. Let's go Granny Apple Green. I am really loving this half paper holder from Stamp and Storage. It's nice to have a whole bunch of paper just cut. That is really cute. I did not fold it exactly right. Let's see if I can fix it. All right, we'll put this one together and we're all good to go. So, I do appreciate your watching. If you're seeing this on YouTube, luckily, you won't see all the crazy in the first minute where things weren't working. So, feel fortunate in that. If you saw this on Facebook, sorry guys, you get this, you'll get to see it. But I'll put in the comments, hey, scroll over a little bit and it'll be okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I totally am digging the little lines around there. So I will have to add them to this one. Can you see them all? Okay, I'm going to attempt to talk to you. Let's see. I don't think it's going to work. Let's see. No, probably not. And now I'm shaking the camera. So we're just going to end this now and be happy. So thank you so much for spending a little crafty time with me. If you have questions or comments, please let me know. And I will see you next time. Thanks and stay crafty.